Assalamualaikum. Now I will show the tutorial of using Flippity apps. For the first one, just search Flippity in the Google search. Right, then click the first one. So this is Flippity apps. So as you can see, many features in here available for us to use. So we will try to use 3 of them. For the first one, I choose for using Flippity group game. So just click for demo. So here the group game. So this game has already been prepared by the app. So if we want to make our game, just click here. So as you can see, the box we can fill the box with what we want to fill. Alright, for example, I fill for sport athlete. For football, this the football player name, badminton, tennis, and basketball. So we need to generate all of this. So click generate. It will up like this. So we just need to click the type of group that we just create just now. For Kylian Mbappe, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Neymar Jr. So 4 of them is one group for football. So the next one, Indan, Lee Chong-wei, Chen Long, and Victor Essen. So click right for badminton. Next one, Rafael Nadal, Roger Federer, Carlos Alcaraz, Novak Djokovic is tennis player. And last but not least, Michael Jordan, Stephen Curry, LeBron James, and Kobe Bryant is basketball player. So this is how using for the first features. Alright, next we gonna choose Flippity tournament bracket here. Just click demo. Alright, for this tournament bracket apps, it will help us as a teacher to use it when we create a tournament like badminton, futsal, and sepak takraw. So this is example that apps already create. So if we want to create ourselves, just click here. So it will up like this. So just delete what the apps already create, and then just fill the name that we want to use. Alright, after fill in the box, and then we need to click the generate one, and then it will out like this. So this features is very easy to use, and we can print out the bracket we use. And for the third features, we're gonna choose Flippity word search. Alright, so click here. And then this is the example that already created by the app. So if you want to create ourselves, just click here at the top of the apps. And then also we just delete what the apps create, and then we fill in the blank what we want to create. After we fill in the box, let's generate it. Click generate. and it will out like this. So we need to find football, badminton, futsal, and tennis. So as a teacher, we can print out this to give for our student. So this is very easy to use. So that's it for the tutorial of using Flippity apps. Thank you for watching.